Just got a message from Tom, 52 years old. Everyone said he was too old for digital marketing. He just landed a 10K client using our method. But here's what's wild. Tom had never even created a Facebook ad before. He was a traditional sales guy for 30 years. Everyone told him digital marketing was for the young folks. But check this out. In just 90 days, he went from a total beginner to land his first 5-figure client. And the craziest part? He did it. Without any fancy tech skills or complicated tools. All he needed was our age-adapted learning method. Most courses are built for 20-somethings who grew up with Instagram, but Tom proved something powerful. Experience beats youth. Every single time. Now, he's teaching other over 50 professionals how to do the same. And the best part? He's not alone. We've helped over 300 professionals over 40 make this exact transformation. Think about that. How many experienced professionals are stuck right now, thinking they're too old for digital marketing? The question isn't whether you can learn this. The question is, will you be the next success story? If you're ready to master digital marketing without the overwhelm, click the link below and start your journey today.